Meaning of desalination.
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 Desalination. Desalination refers to the process of removing salt and other minerals from saline water, typically seawater, in order to make it suitable for human consumption or other uses. The result of desalination is purified water that can be used for drinking, irrigation, and other purposes. This technology has become increasingly important due to the growing demand for fresh water in regions with limited freshwater resources. Desalination can be achieved through various methods such as reverse osmosis, thermal distillation, and electrodialysis, among others.